Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can bass boost audio on CapCut PC. So select your audio, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn up the volume when the beat has dropped. So for instance, this is where the beat has dropped. Then you're going to make it super loud, and you're going to want to copy and paste that a lot of times, maybe like 3. You can even select the audio and you can go to like the voice changer and add in like a megaphone effect. But that is pretty much it. Unfortunately, I can't play the audio, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.